anybody here and have question for our product information? You can see this is our color chart. We have different colors in our books, and we also can see this is all solid color. You can choose different colors from our color chart, outdoor, or you can use for interior, like bathroom. You can ask for the high gloss, and this is also solid. You can see clearly. And this is our special color. 能看见吗? And this is our wooden, and this is our marble, and this is pier, and this is brushed, and this is a mirror. Different colors with different price. So you just click our page and follow us. Or you can also send our catalog. We will send the different price with different colors. So just contact us, okay? You know, before we send the exact inquiry to you, you need to send us the regular size, the regular panel thickness, aluminum thickness, and the quantity. You need to let us know the size, the panel thickness, the aluminum thickness, and the quantity you need. You also
我刚刚是因为没有打开声音是吗？
You just send us the. You also can send us the colors. So the panel thickness usually from 2 mm to 6 mm. And for the aluminum thickness, it's regular from 0.1 to 0.5. So you can choose such as 4 mm, 0.3. First, 4 mm, 0.3 is most popular for use outdoor, and actually different countries require different specification. And my partner will introduce with different countries with the most popular specification. So if you want to, or you just the first time to buy aluminum composite panel, we can give us our professional advertisement. And for the size, our regular size is 1.22 by 2.44, and our regular width from 1 meter to 2 meters. The maximum is 2 meters, and the length it can be cut at your requirements. It can be 2.44, 2.5, or 3 meters. It just depends on your requirements. So if you need our suggestion or you don't know the exact specification in your country, you can let me know, and we can start our first business. Okay? And you know, for exterior, our regular is 4 mm and 0.3, just like this one. The 4 mm means for the panel thickness, for the whole panel thickness. You can see the whole panel thickness. And the 0.3 means aluminum thickness, and it will be 0.3. And this can be, and for the top it's 0.3, and for the bottom it can be 0.3 or the 0.2. It can be with different, just 0.1 difference on tolerance. Okay. If you want to get the most popular in your countries, you just click us and follow us, or you want to learn about more information for our products, you can click and let me know your requirements, okay? And for the category where we will classify the surface, you mean we have different types for the aluminum thickness, aluminum panels, and for the surface, we will clarify it with PVDF coating, PE coating, nano PVDF, mirror finish, brushed wooden, marble, and high gloss coating, and pure coating, etc. And you just let me know what exactly you need, and you can let me know you will use for indoor or for exterior or for outdoor, okay? And for the core, for the middle core, it can be classified with polymer, it can be brick, and with unbreakable and fireproof. Fireproof means, let me show you, it's with color difference in the middle, and you can see this one is fireproof, is with white middle core, and this is for regular one, it can be fired. So in the middle is with black, and you can see.
Yes, this is
fireproof. And, it's a little different with common one, and for the common it's just black.
the fireproof core is white.
And this is common, it's black middle. And also the different core material or different surface, the price is different. So if you want to get more price, you can let me know what the requirements for you, such as you require the fireproof, and with high gloss coating, we will put the price to you, and we will add and we will send the price. Okay. Our Aluminium was 18 years history, and our Aluminium only produce the high quality products, because our boss on upholding the concept of quality is life of the enterprise. We use high quality material from USA and Sweden, and applied advanced aluminum plastic production technology from Japan to manufacture high-class LCD for interior and exterior finish. For interior, we offer you 5 to 8 years guarantee, and for exterior wall, we offer you 50 to 20 years guarantee. With the guarantee time, if there's any quality problem, we will compensate you all the product value. I mean, if the quality panels, we will refund the money to you. So you no need to worry about quality at all. We are direct manufacturer, and we pay more attention for our good reputation. So you no need to worry about the quality. And no matter for the quality or the price, we also can send the best one to you. Okay? And over 18 years, Aluminium has enjoyed a good reputation for our best quality. Aluminium we are accepted by customers from both home and abroad. We have built a great sales network and a service organization in dozens of countries and areas around the world, such as South Asia and the Middle East, North Africa, South Africa, America, and Europe, and so on. We have agents in different countries also, like Sri Lanka, the Philippines, Libya, Mexico, Egypt, Tunis, and so on. And at the same time, we still welcome and embrace more customers to be our agent. We will send the best price with our best quality. You can explore and you can expand your market also. So if you want want to cooperate with us or if you want to become our agent, it's no problem. Please don't forget to click our page, or you can follow us, or you can click the catalog button and send us inquiry to us. We will send the discounted price to you and to start our business. Okay. Some customers often ask us, I can totally buy ACP panels from you, but I don't know how to install or on the wall. So you no need to worry. If you buy aluminium composite panels from us, we will guide you to install the panels. We also can set our pick, or you can we will send the picture. You will know how to install the panels on the wall. Because it's very easy to grooving, to cutting, or to install on the wall. So if even you are first to buy aluminium composite panel, you don't need to worry about this at all, because it's very easy to install on the wall. If you want to know more information about our installation, you can just click and contact us, or you can comment on our screen and we will answer you, and our sales will send you the professional installation ways. My partner will show and get to know the most popular specification in different countries. She will introduce details, okay?
Hello everybody, this is Sherry, also from our local world. Now I will introduce you. We already exported to all over the world for 20 years. So we already have more than 250 customers from 80 countries. So we know some countries have most popular thickness and size. And now I will give you some examples. Like Egypt, the thickness that you usually buy is 3 mm and 0.3. And the size that you usually buy is 1.5 by 3.5 meter. So and also you usually buy 1.5 by 4.1. Which are the most popular thickness and size in their country. And the next one is like Spain in Europe. The thickness that you usually buy is 4.4 mm by 4 mm by 0.3. The size that you usually buy is 1.2 by 2.44. Actually, this is the most countries by this thickness, 4 mm, 0.3, and the size is 1.22 by 2.44. Like we have many customers in South America. South America, like Colombia, Chile, Bolivia, Argentina. These countries are our main market in South America. Like Colombia, the thickness that you usually buy is 4.4 mm and 0.4. And the thickness that you usually, the size that you usually buy is 1.22 by 2.44. And 1.5 by 5.8 meter. So if you want to know the most popular thickness and size in your country, please click us and or send your inquiry to us. Even if you don't know the thickness, we can recommend the thickness to you according to your country. We know the thickness, the most popular thickness in your country very well. So you don't worry the thickness you don't know. We can give you some advice. Chilling. For chilling, the thickness that you usually buy is 4 millimeter and 0.3. The size that you usually buy is 1.5 by 5 meter. So if you guys from Chile, you can send inquiry to us. We can quote you the best price according to your market popular thickness and size. Next one is Tunisia. The thickness that you usually buy is 4 millimeter by 0.4. The size that you usually buy is 1.5 by 4 meter. Maybe some customer asked why different countries have different thickness and size requirements. This will be according to countries' difference. You know, some countries maybe don't have enough. Some customers don't have enough money that can buy the thickness with thin thickness. If your country, the most popular thickness is 4 millimeter and 0.3, but you have a limited budget, you can choose 4 millimeter and 0.2 or 0.25. It is also okay because different thickness, the price is also different. So you can totally choose thinner thickness for your project or for your building or for your decoration. It is also okay. That means the thickness also depends on your budget. If your budget is enough, you can choose higher. You can choose higher aluminium thickness. You guys want to get a quote in your country, and we will know the most popular thickness in your country. So you can totally send an inquiry to us or send a message to us. We will send you the best price in your to you. And another good news is, you know, we have lots of stock with different thickness and different colors, different specification. So if you like shoe, customers can send inquiry to us today. In our live show, we can send you the stock price, 30% discount. Because we have lots of stock in our warehouse. Now we don't want to make any profits. We just want to collect the cost. So you can, if you want to have a try order, you can totally send inquiry to us. We can send you the discounted price with a 30% discount. You will find no any supply can give you so lower price in Chinese market. You can totally try to have a try order with us. Maybe this is my first time to buy aluminium composite panel. My order is just about 200 square meters. It is also okay. We can also send you with 200 square meters. But if we don't have stock, the MOQ, the minimum ordering quantity, will be at least 1,000 square meter, because 1,000 square meter can meet our basic production requirements. You know, 1,000 square meter per color. So you can only buy one color for 1,000 square meter. If you can choose our stock, we can give you 30% discount, and you can choose different colors. Even if just 100 pieces, 100 square meter, one color, it is also okay. Because you know, we have, which is just a part of our colors. It is already 60 colors, different colors. In our stock, we almost have these colors. So you can choose one color per 100 square meters. It can meet your different colors requirements and also meet your lower price requirements. So you guys, if you want to get it, you can please send an inquiry to us. If you want to get free samples, free color charts and free samples, you can also send inquiry to us or send messages to us. We can send you, and our samples and colors are totally free. You can get it free. Like as I said, the last country is Chile, and the next one is Philippines. Philippines, the most thickness that you will buy is 4 millimeter, and one side is 0.45, and the other side is 0.5. Different thickness on top and the bottom. Because also some customers requested it. We can also produce for you with this thickness. Different thickness on top and bottom. And the size that you want to buy is 1.22 by 2.44. 1.22 by 2.44. But actually, in Europe, we don't have too many customers. But like England, we also have customers. In England, the most popular thickness that you will buy is 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter total panel thickness is 3 millimeter. The aluminium skin thickness is 0.18. Some customer want to ask why they have so lower thickness requirements, because England is a very cheap, it is very rich country. Why they request so lower, so thin aluminium skin thickness? Because in Europe, the most customers buy aluminium composite panels for size. They don't use it for project cladding. They just buy for their store size. So they don't request the thickness. Like 0.20 or 0.18. It is enough for them. So different countries have different usage for aluminium composite panel. So that will request a different thickness. Like Australia, the thickness they really Australia, the thickness that you will buy is 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter panel thickness is 5 millimeter, and the thickness is the aluminium skin thickness is 0.4. millimeter. And the size that you want to buy is 1.25 by 4 meter. Above just our examples for some countries, the most popular thickness and the size. So if you want to know the most popular thickness in your country, please send inquiry to us. We can give you the exact price and according to your country's thickness requirements. So you guys have any inquiry or questions, you can send to us. Because we are also on Facebook live show, you know. We also have many customers from Mongolia. So our Mongolia customers often watching Facebook live show. In the way I can recommend you the thickness and the size in your country, the most popular thickness and size. In Mongolia, the panel thickness that you usually buy is 4 millimeter, and the thickness, the aluminium skin thickness that you usually buy is the 0.4 or 0.5. 0.4 and 0.5, because in Mongolia, in the winter, their country is very cold, and also maybe have some rains or some storms. So they have high request for the aluminium skin thickness, and they even request fire resistance aluminium composite panel. In our Mongolia, they request the good quality. Why we know this very well? Because we already exported to Mongolia for almost 8 years. We should be the first factory in China to export to Mongolia. So we know their market very well. So for Mongolia friends, if you want to get a price, you can send inquiry to us. We can also quote you the exact price. We can also show the project we have done in Mongolia. So if you really intend to import from China, we will be the best choice for Mongolia customers. Because maybe some customer want to know, we also have some customers in Mongolia request a lower price. They want to ask why your price is higher than other factory. As we often say, you get what you pay. We know your market quality requirements, so we must promise quality first. We have 15 years guarantee for our PVDF. So, Mongolia friends, if you really want to import from China, please choose a local word, not other brand. Because we know your market very well. Don't just want to pursue lower price, not good quality. Say like that. I have a customer asked several years ago. He asked me, I already inquired 5 price from different countries, from different factories in China. So your price is higher than the other factory. If you this is the first time you buy from China, it is very normal to compare price. You want to get good price, very low price with a very good quality. It is normal, but I will give you some advice. If you want to compare price, you need to compare from below aspect, like the established history of this company. How many years have this company have been established? If this customer just have several years establishment, I think you'd better not choose this company, because that cannot give you the quality guarantee, because the customer just established several years. How can they give you so long guarantee, like 15 years guarantee? It is impossible. And maybe some customers, you also need to check the quality. And we can, if you really don't know that, you can let them send you samples for checking. Some customers we have some customers bought aluminum composite panel from a small factory before, but they have a big complaint for their quality, because after several years, the coating layer leaves from the core material, and even have color fading just a few years, or 4 years or 5 years, that already have color fading. So that is why you need to choose long history factory, not several years. So if this is really your first time to buy from China, the secure way is to choose one factory with at least 10 years history in China, not just 5 or 6 years. But our local work is already 20 years history in China. Since we established in China, there are really a few brands in China for aluminum composite panel. Just a few factories in China. But we already have 20 years in China. Many factories already died. So if you really want to buy from China, a local word will be really the best choice for you. A local word, our logo and our brand, a local word, and our brand, a local word is also very famous in Mongolia. Because we are almost exported to Mongolia for 20 containers per month. Of course, we are not the factory with the very low price, but we can totally promise the quality for you. I think when customer buy one product that don't really want to request very low price, they just want to have quality requirements based on quality promise. They want to get a lower price. If based on quality promise, our local word price is really reasonable and competitive in the market. So you guys, really, if you want to have a test our quality, you can totally choose our stock, because we really have lots of stock with different colors and different size. You can choose 100 square meter per color, no problem. You even can choose 50 square meters per color. It is also okay. But if you buy from one company, they need to produce for you. Again, it is not possible for them to produce for 100 square meters per color. It is not possible. But if you can choose our stock, we can provide you with a so lower price and with different colors. You can choose even 20 colors for whole container. It is also okay. Yeah, so you guys, do you have any questions now? Want to send inquiry to us? You can send follow us. Or send messages to us. We can send you our catalog, color chart, stock list, and samples of our project pictures, or our certificates. You will know why our local work can exist for 20 years in China. When our brand, our local work established in China, we have some customers already buy from us, from the establishment of our company. Now, these customers already placed their order with us for 20 years. Our company is big and bigger, and their business is also big and bigger. It is the mutual win from our company and our customers, that they very believe our quality. That can also because now many factories aluminum composite panel in China, but they still choose to place order with us. They can also get a lower price, but they don't believe the quality. Okay, so if you also want to know the most popular, you want to start this business, and you want to know the most popular thickness, size, and colors in your country, you can send your inquiry to us now. We can recommend you the exact thickness and the colors. If you want to have a try order to see our quality and our service, you can choose our stock with a 30% discount. We really don't make any profits for this price, just want to collect the cost. It also want to have more space in our warehouse to our next orders. So, anybody want to get our stock? You can even buy 100 square meters per color. If you also want to know the thickness you can choose. I can send you our stock list. You can choose from our stock list. Choose the color, choose the thickness. We also have some customers ask the installation process when because it is the first time for them to buy aluminum composite panel for their project. They also want to know the installation procedure. Now I can describe you simply. Hope you can clear it. If you still cannot clear, it is okay. You can send inquiry to us. We can send you the video, the installation video. You will know it clearly. Actually, for installation, it is very easy. Actually, it is really very easy for installation. Now I show you the installation method. It's just according to Chinese standard. There will be a little different for different countries, but the main procedure is almost the same. Now this is our panel. This is the whole panel. The standard size is 1.22 by 2.44. 1.22 by 2.44. Now the first step, you need to use the cutting machine to cut, to groove groove. Yes, like this. Of course, you need to leave a certain depth. Cannot cut it down, cut it off. You need to leave a certain depth, because it is need to prepare for the next step after groove. The next step is foot and bend, like this, foot and bend. Bend and foot and bend like this, you will see like a box. The next step is punching the hole, punching the hole first, because you need to fix it with the screws. Like punching the hole, and with the screws to fix it like this. The whole panel like a box, like this. They will have different shapes. You can, according to your drawings, because you have a different design for your project, you can bend with the different shapes. Yeah, it is the whole procedure for the panels. The next step for your work lighting, for your curtain work, like this is your curtain work. The first step, you need to draw the vertical and horizontal line. After finish it, you need to install the aluminium tubes. Most countries choose aluminium tubes for their accessories. You need to use aluminium tubes to fix it according to the line, according to the horizontal and vertical line, to fix the aluminium tubes. Some customers also ask us why we need to use aluminium tubes. Can we choose other products for our accessories? It is also okay, but for aluminium tubes, which has its natural factor, even if it is exposed to the air, the aluminium will form a special layer to protect them from roasting and rotting. So even if 10 years or 15 years passed, the aluminium fix will not break, still can keep original. So that means your cladding can also keep original for a long time. After installing the aluminium tubes, if your country is very cold, you can, after installing the aluminium tubes, you can inject the heat insulate product inside to protect the cold. If your country is very cold, but many countries is very warm, you don't need to inject the heat insulated product inside. Just install the aluminium tubes. It is okay. The next step, after inject the heat in insulated heat product, the next step is install the aluminium composite panel plate. lift the aluminum composite panel like this. Like this. This is also our aluminum composite panel on the wall cladding. Just this didn't need aluminum tubes on the surface. Just our aluminum composite panel. If you use it for your project, this is the finished picture. After finishing, your wall cladding will like this. Yeah, this is our big contrast with so many colors, different colors. You can see after installation, your wall cladding will like this. Just the colors difference. After installing the aluminum composite panel, because we have protective film on the surface of aluminum composite panel, so after installation, you need to peel off the protective film. But before peeling of the protective film, because there will be a little gap from the aluminum composite panel, so you need to use a silicone to fix to inside silicone and a foam paper silicone to fix the gap into between the gap. After finish it, you need to peel off the aluminum protective film. Please be noted, you need to peel off the protective film with 45 days after installing, because if the time is very long, it will be very difficult to peel off. So you must peel off the protective film within 45 days after installation. It is just a simple introduction for our installation procedure. So if you really want to know more information about installing, you can send inquiry to us. We can send you the installation video. So, have any friends want to get installation video? You can send inquiry to us. So we even have 30% discount today. So if you really want to get this price, please click us or send an inquiry to us or send a message to us. We can totally send you the stock list with the discounted price. If you have any questions, you can also send to us. I can answer you right now. Like your MOQ, your loading, your payment term. Anyway, any questions you can ask. I can answer you now. Okay, so you guys have any questions now? If you don't have, my partner Ovia will introduce you next part. So you have any questions? You can answer me now. You can ask me now. I can answer you now. Okay? About the installation procedure, about the most popular thickness and size in your country, about the discounted price. We can also send you. You just need to click us or send messages to us. you can get all what you want. Okay, now if you really don't have my partner Ophir will introduce you next part. Okay.
See you again. Okay, just now some customer asked some questions, so I collect the questions and I will answer you here. And if you have more questions, you can type to me on the lecture. Okay. And for the first question, some customers, of course, my customer theory show you this 30% off for our stock panels. And some customers ask how to get the price and get our catalog. And actually, you just need to click you can click our catalog. You can click our page and follow us, or you can click our catalog and send us message directly. Then we will send our 30% discount with our stock list. And our sales will send you the best price. Our sales will send the best price and our latest product catalog within 1 hour. So you don't need to worry, and you just contact us. And some customer ask, how soon can I get your price quote? As I introduced at the first part, you just send us the size, the panel thickness, aluminium thickness, and the quantity of each color you need. Then we will quote the exact price to you. So you just contact, and the largest discount will up to 30% off. It's very huge discount. So we never offer such discounted price with our regular customer. So it will give chance to you to start ACP business with this discounted price. So you just contact us. And the next question is, some customers ask to send samples to him. It's totally no problem. You send us your address or your contact way, and send your courier account such as DHL, FedEx, UPS, TNT. We will send you the samples. First, our samples is free. You just send your courier account, or you can pay shipping cost to us directly. For exact shipping cost, we will check with the shipper and let you know. So you can send us your requirements and your required color sample colors. Your colors and your sample size. And the next question, the customer said they want to OEM brand, or they want to get their design protector film. It's no problem. You just send us your protector film, and we will check with our designer, and you just send us your protector film, and our design will redesign as your.
估计是你的小蜜蜂放的太低了，往上放放。
As your required, as your product, your grade, we will send to you. And the sixth question is there any minimum order quantity requirements? Yes, it is. Because we need, if you buy from our stock, if we have colors, we can send you the panel quantity directly. If you need to do new colors, I mean out of stock, you need to OEM it has stock. It need to reach 1,000 square meters and with the one specification. And you just send us your required panel thickness and aluminium thickness. Then I will check if we have stock or we need to redo it for you, okay? If you just need to small quantity to start your first aluminum composite panel business, it's no problem. You can choose from our stock panels. We will check and send to you, so you can set your requirements.
做兼职也会才1个小时。
You can set us your requirements, and we will let you know whether we have the stock or we need to do it. And just Sherry introduced, we need to some customers buy aluminum composite panel for first business, and they want to know how to install the panels and any accessories we need to install on the wall for install the panels. And usually we use aluminum tube and screw rivet or and silicone and peptide. And for more installation video, you can contact us, and or you can contact our sales. She or he will send you the install way, and you will know where we use aluminum profile and where we use aluminum screw or where we use silicone. It will guide you one step by step, so you know worry. Even you first to buy aluminum composite panel, you will make sense for installation. So you just confirm and let you know if you want to buy aluminum composite panel. And another question is, our customers asked how many quantity we can load for 120 feet container, and is any better choice